Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben. In this video, we're checking out these 28-inch V-shaped desk legs. Okay, so in this box, we've got four 28-inch or 71cm desk legs. Now, these are a black matte finish, and we're going to check them out on the table here, and we're actually going to install them on a desk in this video. So we're making a DIY desk for our craft room, and we're going to use these legs to create that desk ourselves. So let's get it out of the box first of all, these legs. So let's get all four of them out. As I mentioned, it is a 4-pack, so you can put 4 legs on your desk or table, whatever you're wanting to make. So there we go, all 4 of them there. Comes with some accessories as well. So let's just check one of the legs out here on the table, and then we can obviously install all 4 of them onto the desk that we're creating. So there we go, we've got the desk leg itself, super solid, strong material. We've got the 3 metal bars, giving that extra strength across that length. So there should be no problem with strength and the weight coming through from this desk, super strong. I love the design of those. We've got the V shape at the top there. Obviously that's the element that connects onto the table or the desk where you screw through. And then we've got the bottom there where all things are connected at the bottom. So a couple of things just to mention initially. The finish is lovely. So it's like a black matte finish, like a powder coating. The finish is really nice. There are no sharp bits, there are no tough bits. The welding is excellent as well. We will get some close-ups of these. The welding is really, really good around the top bits and around this bottom area here where all 3 are connected. Sometimes welding on things like this can be a little bit hit and miss, but so far it looks really, really good. So those are the legs. Obviously we've got 4 of them. We've just got one out for now just to have a look at. This is the accessories that come with the actual legs as well. So in here we have got the little feet for the bottom of the legs, and we've got the screws as well to install them onto the actual desk or table. So in this bag we've got 5 feet, so you've got 1 for each leg and then a spare just in case you do lose one. So that's one of the feet, one of the toes that go on the bottom. These are the screws that go through these holes here, up into the table to secure it to the table. So obviously you can use your own screws if you prefer. These are a perfect match for these. It's the same colour, the same powder coating, the black, and it's got the flat pan head as well, which means it's nice and flush up against that material there. So it's a really great finish, professional finish on the desk or table that you're creating. In terms of this foot that goes on the bottom, it's a simple case of just pushing it on. So if you put that over there like that, push it down onto the foot, that's nice and super strong on there, so that shouldn't be going anywhere. Really flush finish on the bottom of there, and we'll get a close-up on the table here. So there we go, those are the legs, looking great. All we need to do now is install them to our desk. So we'll show that process the best we can, and then we'll show the actual finished desk after, just to show you the legs looking great, hopefully, on that desk. So into the craft room, and we'll make that desk now. Okay, all done now with the 28-inch or 71cm desk legs. Hopefully you'll agree with it, they look great on the table or the desk that we've created for our craft room. They look great on that wood. Really easy to make as well, using the screws that come included to attach the legs up into the desk. Really, really good. If you are using a thinner material and the screws are too long, obviously you can use your own screws if you require. You can use your own screws as well if you prefer a different type of screw. But what I would recommend is just pilot hole into the wood, just to make a pilot hole, and use those screws, and you should be absolutely fine with the included screws. As well as we've shown, it comes with a feet for each of the actual legs, and it comes with 1 spare, which is great value for money, and a great little touch, just making sure in case you do lose one or it breaks, for example, you do have a spare. So we're all done on this video now. Hopefully you found it informative looking at the legs. Hopefully you've enjoyed it in terms of the end product we've made with the desk. If you have liked the video, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. But in terms of these desk legs, in terms of the product, really great value for money, really nice design, no problems whatsoever, really easy to install. Definitely a product we'd recommend. We will link below in the description to the product if you want to grab some for yourself, for maybe for your own DIY project. So thanks for watching, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll see you on the next one.